Hey Regina,
Hi, Yair.
I'm sure you heard about the devOps.
Of course, yes.
And there is a lot of things that we need to do and we need to think how to implement it. So we need to have everything automated.
We really invested lots of time in automating lots of effort. Like we have code drop, we have one-click tool, Jenkins implemented for the builds.
So we need to have to make all the tools talking to each other and to have one integrated system that will trigger the build, the code drop, the automation sanity, and the results. Everything should be automated.
You know what? It's going to be challenging, but I'm sure our teams can work together to make it happen.
So let's go to the team and let's see how we can make it happen.
Let's make it.
Let's see how it used to work until now.
In the current scenario, infra sanity and ST code drop sanity are two independent phases. Environment is prepared by infra with a one-click tool and they perform infra sanity. Once this is done, environment is delivered to ST for code drop sanity. After this, ST performs all component sanity and reports issues if any.
And how it is going to work going forward. As mentioned, we already have few tools that can do many things. For example, we have the build tool which can run automatically the build. We also have the push build tool which can take the build and put it into an environment. We also have the automation test set that can run automatically. But now going forward, the new thing is that all of these tools are going to talk to each other and to be integrated. One click will trigger Jenkins. Jenkins will orchestrate all the build, the apply build to the environment, and automatically will trigger remotely the automation test set that will trigger the test automatically on all online applications, CSM, CRM, and others. After the test is completed, it will send results to Jenkins automatically with pass or fail email notification, and from there to one click. So let's start with one click. One click, you can build a map that will actually apply the code drop to a specific environment. You can select specific version, specific code drop, specific data, and to what environment you would like to apply the code drop. The map can be created by anyone. The idea is that everyone, if it is infra, testing team, application team, or SFT support team, will be able to create the map by themselves. And the last job of the map is actually calling and triggering the automated sanity remotely.
So we've been using on-site one-click tool for performing code drops, and lately we started integrating new jobs to the flow of the code drops, and one of the last additions was including the QTP sanity test with Jenkins that performs the sanity basically at the end of each code drop automatically. Supports multiple lines of businesses, all of our lines of businesses here in Bell Canada, all the products within each line of business, and the cross product dependencies as well.
The Jenkins will trigger the build. Jenkins will orchestrate applying the build to a specific environment, and it will trigger the automated sanity remotely.
Once we have map created in one click, we have the environment upgradation, and after that we are starting the environment. And once Jenkins is triggering the build, it will invoke the QTP session and will run the script created by the ST team, and it will run into the Jenkins, and after the successful or failure status, it will give the return status to one click, and it will mark as success or failure, and it will create the email notification once it is successful or not.
The automated code of sanity. QTP will execute the test set with the parameters sent by Jenkins. It will cover all online application including CSM, CRM, calls to MSS API, EPC, Cell Engine, and Tuxedo. It will include all environment preparations. It will log into CSM and to CRM, will create a new ban, will activate new subscriber, and will check all the important tabs in CRM and CSM.
After the environment is prepared by one-click tool, we wanted to trigger automation script for all applications like CSM, CRM, AMSS, and EPC by Jenkins without any manual intervention. There were many challenges we faced since the solution is end-to-end with no manual intervention. So it has to be innovative enough to take care of all code of prerequisites like loading of business IDs, equipment, updation of cycle control table, copying of client key on automation server, and so on. So we did our code of sanity suite to take care of all these prerequisites.
We have now the full end-to-end flow, starting with one-click map, calling Jenkins, and then it is calling our automation suite that is generating the code of sanity, CSM and CRM, and after that, when it finishes, we retrieve the status if it failed or passed, and we send out email notification also with screenshots and return the value pass or fail to the map. So the job there will fail or pass according to the test results.
Okay, so with this solution now we save time, we save manual efforts, and release the environments in lesser time. Now we can say we are more efficient and quick. Thank you very much, Praveen and Ina, for all your hard work to achieve this milestone. Thank you.
Automated results notification. At the end of the execution, QTP will create a report. The results will be sent to Jenkins, and from Jenkins it will send to one click. Results will include screenshots and even movie in case of failures. The sanity jobs in one-click map will become red or green according to the status.
So as usual, we did it. It was very challenging, but finally it's working. We have a one-click tool which talk to Jenkins, which talk to the build. We have automatic sanity, which executed. We have an automated sanity result. So the question, what is next?
It was challenging. At the beginning we thought that it's kind of science fiction, but eventually it's working. We have everything integrated, everything is automated. Thank you all team for the hard work, and we made it.
Thanks guys, it was great teamwork between many team members. We did it. I'm sure we still have a lot of things to do. The next step is going to be more automation, and we have to see how we can do the batch part maybe later on.
Error handling, batch part, whatever we can think of.